Hello, students. I'd just like to welcome you to Marquette. My name is Dr. Amy Talaga, and I will be your instructor and guide for 6003 Essentials in Nursing. Again, just really welcome to the program. I myself love being a nurse. I graduated with my bachelor's in nursing in 1995. I know that's almost older than some of you now. It's okay. I'm just aging myself. It's all good. Uh, my master's is in nursing education, and I recently finished my doctorate also with a nursing education focus. Clinically, I spent 25 years in the emergency department. For anyone local, I spent 22 years at the level 1 ED and trauma at Froedtert Hospital, which is associated with the Medical College of Wisconsin. So for decades of my life, I was around teachers of healthcare and medicine from all different interdisciplinary levels, whether it be, physicians, nurses, even EMTs, paramedics, social workers, you name it. It really got me interested in teaching. Thus, I went into a teaching focus. I love being a bedside nurse. I am not a nurse practitioner. I have no interest in being a nurse practitioner. As for me, I feel I make my biggest impact at the bedside directly caring for my patients. So that's kind of my passion there. And that's why I hope I can help you really start to get excited for your clinicals next semester. I have been with Pleasant Prairie since the second semester Pleasant Prairie was in existence. I have taught every level in this program, from your skills lab. I've taught every level of clinical, every level of simulation. And of course, I also do this course. 6003. This is the course that I like to say is going to take you from a good nurse to a great nurse. You'll hear me say this again and again. In my entire nursing career, I have never had a patient ask me what my score was on a pharmacology test or a, anatomy test. Never had that happen. But I definitely have had patients positively impacted with how I approach them and how I view them as a person. And that's what this course is really going to kind of get into a little bit with, how do we treat patients and what do we look at for that big picture? You're going to hear us say cura personalis a lot. But it is something that as I've gone through in my nursing career, I've actually found out it's more important as I've gone on and matured in my own profession. So anyways, just like to welcome you for this asynchronous course. I know that being asynchronous, this is one of the courses that, you may not see me a lot per se, but I will have some open office hours and such. There will be some optional meetings and stuff like that. You can always email me. That's going to be the best thing. I do private, one-on-one, team meetings or blue button, whatever your preference is for that. More than happy to do that. I do teach a clinical. I'm teaching a simulation also this semester. And otherwise, I'm just a busy mom of 3 kids. I have an adult who's 21 who's off adulting and taking some classes in lacrosse and, working and figuring out life, and senior in high school and a sophomore in high school, and we're just busy, busy, busy. So I totally get it. But that's the thing I love about nursing is throughout my career, I've really been able to continue to find jobs that just really work for a home life balance for me. That and just helping patients is fun for me. So, all right, welcome. And any questions, email me. My email is in the syllabus at the amy.talaga@marquette.edu. All right, let's have fun.